Keeping your Xumo Streambox updated is crucial for optimal performance, security, and access to the latest features. Updates include firmware enhancements and app updates delivered over the air directly from Xumo. Firmware updates improve device functionality and patch security vulnerabilities, while app updates ensure you have the newest features and content. The Xumo Streambox automatically checks for updates every 24 hours when idle and connected to Wi-Fi. If an update is available, it downloads and installs in the background, requiring a quick restart of 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure your device is plugged in during updates to avoid any interruptions. The minimum required Wi-Fi speed for updates is 5 Mbps. You can manually check for updates by navigating to Settings, System, Check for Updates. If automatic updates fail, try rebooting your router, resetting the Xumo Streambox using the pinhole button, or contacting Xumo support. A stable internet connection, registration with a Xumo account, and at least 1 GB of free storage are required. Updating enhances security by patching vulnerabilities, such as the emergency update in May 2025 for firmware exploits. It also adds new features, like improved voice search via Amazon Alexa integration in the 5.2.1 update. By keeping your Xumo Streambox updated, you ensure a smoother and more secure streaming experience.